Hello dear students. In last two lectures we have started regular expression, what regular expression is exactly. Then x star and x plus, the meaning of x star and x plus. Then we have seen some identities of regular expression, and in last lecture we have solved one problem based on regular expression identities. Today we will see some examples of regular expressions and what these regular expression indicates, or the regular expression and what that regular expression produces as a set. This point is very important if you want to understand what regular expression is. So, in left side of the column, left side of the table, regular expressions are given, and at the right side regular set is given corresponding to regular expression. This example I have taken it from the source, that is tutorial point. So, one by one we will see it. First regular expression is 0 plus 1 0 star. This indicates that this particular regular expression produces the string which contains the combination of zeros and ones. 0, single 0 may come, plus indicates 0 will come or 1 0 star will come. So, if only 0 will come, very first regular set or very first atom in the set is only 0. Plus symbol indicates that either 0 occurs or 1 0 star occurs. So, if only 0 occurs, the set is 0. Then if 1 0 star occurs, only 1 occur, that means 0 star. In the previous lecture we have already seen that star indicates the occurrences which is 0 time occurrence or multiple time occurrence. So, if 0 occurred 0 times, so what will be the set? It will contain only 1. Then 1 0, that means 1 occurs 1 time and 0 occur 1 time. Then 1 0 0, that means 1 occurs and then 0 occurs 2 time. Then 1 0 0 1 4 times 0. So, this is how the string will be generated. 0 star means 0 occurs 0 times or multiple times. Then the next regular expression is 0 star 1 0 star. Here plus symbol is not there. So, 0 star means 0 occurs or may not occur. That means if 0 don't occur, then if both 0 don't occur, then only 1 is remaining. So, 1 will be produced. Then first 0 will occur 1 time, then 0 1, then first 0 occurs 0 time and second 0 occurs 1 time. So, 1 0 is the produced string. 0 1 0, that means 0 both 0 occurs 1 time. So, 0 1 0, then 0 0 1 0. So, this is how the different strings are generated. But what is the difference between first regular expression and second regular expression? Here the occurrence of 1 is compulsory. Here the occurrence of 1 is compulsory because there is no plus symbol, there is just the continuation of a string. The next string is 0 plus epsilon into 1 plus epsilon. Epsilon means null string. So, in first bracket null will be generated. In first bracket 0 may also be generated. So, null and 0 are the two options. In second option or second bracket 1 will be generated or epsilon will be generated, or if first bracket generates 0 and second bracket generate 1, then it will produce 0 1. A plus B star indicates the set of all strings of A and B's of any length including the null string. Why include null string? Because their star is given and star means 0 or multiple occurrences of a string. So, here A plus B means any combination of A's and B's including null. Next string is a plus b star a b b. First regular expression is very much similar to previous, just a b b is there. So we can say here that this particular regular expression produces the string which contains a and b's but ending with a b b. So this regular expression produces the string which contains or which ends with a b b. 1 1 star, the set consisting of even number of ones including empty string. So it will produce either null or 1 time 1 1 or 2 times 1 1. So in the another language or another way we can say it will produce even number of strings. AA star BB star B, that means a set of strings consisting of even number of A's followed by even number of B's and then one other B is there. So even number of A's followed by odd number of B's. Why odd? Because BB star is already there, but along with BB star one extra B is there. So even number plus 1 is always the odd number. That means this particular string produces even number of A's followed by odd number of B's. The last string is AA plus AB plus BA plus BB star. So string of A's and B's of even length can be obtained by concatenating any combination of strings AA, AB, BA, BB including null. So L is equal to AA, AB, BA, BB, AA, AB or AA, BB. So these are different examples of regular expressions and its corresponding regular sets. Thanks for listening.